This video tutorial will guide the user to key functionalities of describing the water supply system under the Water Safety Planning application in the Flood and Drought Management Tools portal. Module 2 of the Water Safety Planning application assists users to fully describe their water supply system. This is important to support hazard identification and risk assessment, to understand and address vulnerability to climate-related risks, to anticipate future changes to the water supply system, and to support long-term planning for water resources and water infrastructure. Using the application, a user can describe their water supply system under two levels. The first one is level 1, which looks at the main supply processes, e.g. catchment, treatment, and distribution. And then level 2, which are sub-processes with more detailed steps, e.g. aeration, flocculation, and disinfection. To begin describing your system, click on Module 2, which is the Water Supply System link, to enable a new pop-up window which will allow the description of Level 1 processes. Enter the details of the process step by providing the name, the area, component type, and specify if it is under your direct control or not, and the location. You can either enter the latitude and longitude directly, or click on the location in the background map for the coordinates to be added automatically. To demonstrate, let's for example assume we have a utility in this area close to the shores of Lake Victoria. We begin by describing the abstraction point. I will enter the details as you can see on the screen. Once this is finished, click on the Add button at the bottom corner of the dialog box to add the component into the system, as you can see. To add another component, click on the Add button on the top right corner of the pop-up window and repeat the process. For demonstration purposes, we will add two more components, that is a treatment plant and a reservoir. Once you have all the main processes on the system, you need to show how these are connected. This you do by clicking on the Add button next to the word connection. A new pop-up window will show, enabling you to indicate the connection between them. Once you complete describing the entire Level 1 component, you move to describe the Level 2 processes. To begin describing Level 2 processes, click on any of the Level 1 process to open a second pop-up window that will allow you to describe the Level 2 processes. Click on Add to enter the details of the process step by providing the name, the component type, and direct control option. You can also upload relevant documents, e.g. maps and pictures, which could support the description of your system. To give an example, we will add the following processes, that is flocculation, sedimentation, and filtration under the treatment plant. Click on Add at the bottom corner of the dialog box to add the component. You follow the same procedure to add all the other Level 2 processes. Once you have fully described your water supply system, you can move to identifying hazards and risks, establishing control measures, and putting in place the appropriate improvement plans, which are modules 3, 4, and 5 of the Water Safety Plan process. Thank you for watching, and please share this video tutorial.